and this is the one you can win, folks. What do you think? Is this a warranty claim or what? Huh? Hello people, welcome back. As you can see by the sign up here, back at Raceway Drift again tonight, but we have something a bit special tonight. We have the expert Mark on the case with my new MST. He has it on the setup station and he promises me this is going to be the best drift car in the world ever. Now it's going to beat everybody's.
Second to mine now.
Oh, well, second, obviously second to yours. So, as well as that, a bit different to most people's YouTube channels. Not only are you going to get to see my car on track, which is an MST FXX. I think we clarified that the last time. But what I have on offer here is a brand new, still to be built MST FXX. Comes complete with the body and the wheels, and you just need to supply your own electronics, but most of you guys out there have that sort of thing. So if you want to win this, the way to go about it is visit my new website, which is called Random Competitions, and if you have a look down in the description below, I'll have a link to that. Go check out Random Competitions. Hopefully by the time I have this video done, I'll actually have it listed on the site, and you can win yourself a brand new MST FXX drift car with the Soarer body. Comes with a set of wheels, nice bright orange wheels and tyres. So stay tuned to see how Mark gets on with the tuning of this yoke here. Are we nearly ready to rock and roll yet? Or is this
about 0.5 seconds.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see how it gets on track here now, and I say go visit Random Competitions and buy a ticket, and with a bit of luck you'll get to win your own drift car. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, we have wheels going back on.
Yeah, getting close now.
Getting close. And what is this car of yours, Mark?
That's the RMX 2.0S. So it comes with, from the standard, you stand
and what
on
is that? Is that it? That's not an MST, is it?
MST, yeah.
MST.
RMX.
RMX.
So
and
RMX means rear mids, you know, motor, whereas yours FXX is front, you know.
Right. So can you change yours mid motor or rear motor then?
I can change it just to high or low.
Oh,
I can have it low mounted or high mounted.
Right, okay.
So, but the RRX can have be rear or mid.
Okay, right,
So but it's obviously they're all different price ranges.
Right. And what's yours mid motor?
Mid motor, yeah.
Mid motor, right. So your motor sits here.
Mid motor and it's down low, and the lower centre of gravity.
So that's the same as that, only that has a motor in the front then?
Yeah.
Yeah, so mine's better obviously. So
right. Well, opinions.
For the purposes of this video, it's better because you can actually win one. Right, we're getting all technical here. And what do you call that thing? A gyro?
Gyro, yeah.
And what is that?
That's at 0, so it should be nothing.
Right, so it doesn't do any counter steering for you, and you need one of these for drifting?
Oh, yeah, it's like your reaction time is far too slow.
Unless you're like me,
I correct it straight away, whereas this like narrows it down more for you, so it's not like, oh, it self-drives or anything. It's like,
can I just say I probably don't need a gyro because I'm not good, but we'll just go with your recommendations for now.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find which is the 0 points, and I can go 50% from that, and then just slightly bit more than 50%.
Right, we've had all the experts on this Mustang here tonight. There she is, ready to rock and roll. And I'm going to show these guys actually how to drive here right now. I don't particularly want to complain about the way you built that, but he's away.
I think you would have a case on your hands there in a time, no problem.
What do you think? Is this a warranty claim or what? Huh?
That's Mark sabotaging. I do believe that's not meant to be like that. He's always at it, sabotaging. You did a great job, Mark, but the wings fell off. Mark.
Right.
I know I'm getting you.
Not taking one of the wheels.
Mark,
let's give this another go.
Mark, I know I'm getting you there on the club, but please take the wheels wide.
We'll put all the wheels on this time and see what happens, right? Right, here we go, a bit of front-facing camera footage, beating everybody on track. Right, we need to get all cars on track. Is it going to happen here or what? Right, well overall that was an absolute success, and big thanks to the guys for helping me get that set up. And don't forget folks, go check out Random Competitions for a chance to win that MST FXX brand new. It's an S2 or something like that, but go check it out and I'll see you guys next time.